Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar.
Y'all, I'm excited because I'm back with some. Why am I screaming at y'all? Because I am back with some synthetic drip from my good friends over there at SamsBeauty. Y'all know they are a one-stop shop to get everything that you could possibly need when it comes to beauty, whether it's hair, an eyeliner, some stockings, some press-on nails. SamsBeauty will have it. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you're gonna get this wig from SamsBeauty, as well as their social medias. While you're down there, be sure to click subscribe because I upload almost daily. Whether it's synthetic hair, human hair, clothing haul, me just talking to you, it's something coming. But this one I'm super excited about because this is going to be the perfect wig, I think, for summer. Because where I am, it is 97 degrees, literally. Bam, okay? I'm looking for easy throw on and go hair, and I think that this one from SamsBeauty will give that. This unit is by Sensational. It's part of their Dashlly collection that I absolutely love. This is how far we've come, y'all. This one is in the style Dashlly Lace Unit 45. And I got it in the color, beautiful summer color, Chunky Highlight 27. This is the packaging that it came in. Let me take it out of this packaging, get that stock card, read and see if there's something else on that, and then take this wig out. Key to this summer is ease and just not hot, okay? And look at this one. She looks very cute on this stock card. Miss Dashlly Lace Unit, what I say, 45, comes in some other beautiful colors as well. Of course, a 1 or 1B. Does she come in a 2? Yes, a 1, a 1B, a 2. She also comes in Balayage Chocolate, Balayage Hazelnut, Chunky Highlight 27, which is what we have, Chunky Highlight 30, Chunky Highlight Blonde, Copper Brown, Copper Pumpkin, and Copper Red. On the stock card, she is wearing her in Chunky Highlight 27, the color that we have. Whew, okay, so super cute. It says that she comes with deep parting and curly bangs. Let's look at this cap construction. Highlight 27 is just beautiful to me. And I can tell from these curls, this is one where over time, it'll get better over time. As far as cap construction goes, you get 2 combs in the front, ear-to-ear lace, that lace part, a comb in the back, and some adjustable straps, okay? She also comes with baby hairs for those of you that like baby hairs. And she has those curly bangs. As far as the texture, it has some yak to it, okay, but it's not overly yacky. Like, you see some silk up there, don't you? Okay, so she's not super silky, but she's also not super yacky. But I think if you play with these curls, it'll give you that texture that you might be trying to mimic. Let me put this wig on my head before I cut off this lace to see what it looks like straight out of the pack from SamsBeauty. Okay, let's see what we work. Yeah, I can tell them I like this. Okay, with or without those bangs, which we need to do the bangs because the stock card said bangs. See, them bangs start making me look a little Rick James, don't it? I don't know. Y'all think this is going to be super cute. And like I thought, I do not feel overly hot in this. Let's cut this lace off, play with these curls just a little bit, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
When you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter She's fun too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fun too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Yeah. Now don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just somewhere you don't belong. Yeah. 'Cause ever since the day that I met you, I knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be. We find love and we get up and we fall down. We give up. We find love. We get up and we fall down. We give up. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Let's start.
Y'all, this wig is so pretty. In my head, like if I had hair, y'all only got 3 strands of hair like Homer Simpson, but in my head, like if I had a natural, like just finger combed, loose, messy, bed head curl look, this would be it, y'all. This is absolutely gorgeous. I do think, like I thought before, that this is a unit that does get better over time, because just me playing with it like this and making it a little bit messy, I do like it more. I can definitely recommend that you go and check this one out. This one is bomb.com. It's pretty in this color, but it would also be pretty in just like a regular 101B. If you look at our description box, you see a direct link to this summertime fine beauty, just a tousled looking wig. Until next time, which will be very soon.